In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create aliases in Tableau. This process is straightforward and will significantly enhance your data visualization experience by making your data more readable and intuitive. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Tableau Public app. This marks the start of our journey in creating aliases. Tableau Public is a free version designed for anyone who wants to create and share interactive data visualizations on the web. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you have it installed and running on your computer. Once you have the Tableau Public app open, you need to access your worksheet. This is where you'll find the data you want to work with. If you have multiple worksheets, ensure you're on the right one where your data is located. This is important because any changes you make here will be reflected in your visualizations. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the data pane. Here, identify the dimension you want to alias. Dimensions are typically qualitative data such as names, states, or categories. Identify which of these you want to rename for easier understanding and presentation. Once you've found the dimension, right-click on it and select Aliases from the drop-down menu. This is your entry point into the world of aliases where you'll start making modifications. This action takes you to a comprehensive list showing the dimension members. Next, you'll need to focus on the specific member of the dimension you wish to edit. Right-click on this member within your view and choose Edit Alias. This step is crucial as it provides a simple way to manage the appearance of your data. Opening the Edit Aliases dialog box will present you with a list of the dimensions members. It's a clear overview that allows you to systematically work through each item. Careful attention here ensures that your aliases will be accurate and meaningful. For each member you want to rename, simply select it and enter the new alias name in the Value Alias field. This process is customizable, enabling you to create names that provide better context or clarity to your data. Be creative, but also think about what would truly enhance understanding for anyone viewing your visualization. Finally, click OK to apply the aliases. This action will lock in your changes, transforming how the data is displayed in your chart or graph. You'll immediately notice your renamed members appear in the view, making your data set much easier to interpret. And there you have it. You've successfully created aliases in Tableau, taking your data from chaos to clarity with just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching and happy visualizing.